Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you brutal deltoid massage. And your deltoid muscle is right here. Delta means triangle, and that's the shape of this muscle. And it can get really sore from your arm constantly hanging on all of these muscles. These muscles get sore too, and so you'll have to massage those too. But today I'm just showing you brutal deltoid massage using a Gua Sha tool. So the first thing you need to do is get your arm propped up on something that's the appropriate height. And this air cleaner, this is an air cleaner, and it's about 2 feet tall, something like that. So when I'm sitting on the floor, I can prop my arm up on it, and what that does is it releases the tension in all the muscles. Okay, so when you release the tension in all the muscles, then you can dig in deep. Okay, so you start feeling for where it's knotted and tight. Okay, so you can buy these Gua Sha tools online, and it's like a blade that gets in deep, and you can buy these tools in different thicknesses. And you'll be able to feel for where it's tight and sore. And the more you dig, the more you can pinpoint the knot. Stop and release and relax for a little bit. Feel again. Dig deeper. And you can start using the corners. So you've got that corner, and you've got that corner. If you want to really get jiggy, you can use that one. That is for in between ribs and fingers, and maybe even tops of toes. Oh yeah, my Lord. Can anybody say hallelujah? Because that's what you will after you get done, because it feels great afterwards. You'll get serious relief from pain in your deltoid when you use a Gua Sha tool with the muscles relaxed up on something. It doesn't really matter. It needs to be a really good height. Not too high like this, then you won't be able to work on it. Not too low, or it won't give the muscles relief. But just the right height, and you'll be able to, oh look, see how that's getting red right there? See that? Wow. It's okay if you bruise it, if it gets red, you know? You just don't want to work on it to the point of where it's too sore, and your body will let you know. And it's okay to make faces like that. Work on the back side. And just get after it and dig that tension out of there, because that tension probably is built up for years and years from you overworking to try and make money. You just need to keep making more money to pay for that mortgage and that rent or that car loan and all this stuff. School loans, all these things. All of that is insanity. Okay? So your health is the #1 thing in your life. And when you go to brettsnaturalhealth.com, you can buy things that are for your health, not for insanity. My millet pillows are on sale right now for $10 off. Get yourself a real pillow. That helps with this. And neck pain. All of that. So the way that I've been able to develop all these techniques and my massage tools is to get myself out of pain. And there are a few people that I've found on the internet that have been able to do it the way that I've done it. And you won't see any of the massage tools that I sell and make by hand, all natural, from anybody else. You won't find that from anyone else. And if you go to brettsnaturalhealth.com, you can find wooden spine rollers for cracking and massaging your back. Oh yeah. Perfect. And I am the inventor of isolated spine rolling. When you see chirp wheels, all those plasticky freaking things, that's my invention. They saw my videos years and years and years ago. And they said, how can we make a plastic one? And so they did. They stole my invention. But they cannot steal the natural quality of my products that are made with these hands. And if you go to Brett's Natural Health, you can buy a wooden spine roller and crack and massage your back like I do every single day. And you can also buy a shindig massage tool. You can buy one of my new waif massage tools when all else fails for massaging your legs. Amazing tool that I use every single day. You can't find that anywhere else. And you can also find my little hand tools. And my foot friend massage tools. we're talking about a seriously excellent massage tool for your feet that you can use every single day. So go to brettsnaturalhealth.com and get you some of those. If you're afraid to use one of my massage tools, you can start out with just a millet hull pillow. You want an easy tool for your head, neck, and shoulders while you're sleeping. Something really easy for you to get used to. Get one of my millet hull pillows and stop sleeping on foam, contour pillows, memory foam pillows. That's made out of petroleum, plastic, you know. Remember when Jed saw it coming out of the ground? Uncle Jed from Beverly Hillbillies? How did it go? And up through the ground come a bubbling crude. He saw that coming up through the ground, and they said, "We're going to Beverly Hills to get us a mansion because we can sell this. We can sell it for a lot of money, and then we can make plastic and foam out of it, and pillows." Don't sleep on one of those freaking things. Get yourself a real pillow made out of natural millet hulls. And that's another thing. Stop eating wheat and start eating non-glutinous grains like millet. And then there'll be more hulls for people to sleep on the pillows. So the links are in the description box down below. I want to thank you so much for joining me once again. Bye. So I want to thank you so much for joining me. All the links to my website are in the description box down below. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Alright, I'm going to show you a big black snake. That there is a pretty big black snake right there. Zoom in on him a little bit. Hey boy, what are you doing? You ain't gonna bite me, are you? You just a black snake. Gonna go up the hill there, see if you can get you a mouse or a rat. Maybe some birdie eggs. Yep.